Good day everyone, I am Professor Therese and I am going to show you how to take your problem solving skills to the next level. In this digital age, how can we understand the problem solving strategies using the puzzle Donald plus Gerald is equals to Robert? Let me show you how it's done. First step, so Donald plus Gerald is equals to Robert. Each letter corresponds to one digit number and letter D is already given. D is equals to 5. If D is equals to 5, then D plus D is equals to 5 plus 5, then 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. So, since each letter corresponds to only one digit, then T is equals to 0, then magke-carry tayo ng plus 1 sa L since 10 kasi siya da. Second step, since nakuha na natin yung letter T, next naman na i-decode natin ay yung letter R. So since given na yung value ng letter D which is 5, dapat mas mataas yung value ng R since sum siya ng letter D plus G. So possible na nagko-correspond sa letter R ay 6, 7, 8, or 9. So, tignan natin yung letter L plus L is equals to R. Is L even or odd? So, siya ay even. So, ibig sabihin ba nun even din yung letter R? Hindi, kasi merong plus 1 na carry 1 kanina. So, R is odd. Meaning, ika-cancel na natin yung 6 and 8. So, hindi na siya pwede maging R kasi even sila. So, ngayon, ang possible number na nagko-correspond sa letter R ay 7 or 9. Third step, tignan natin yung O plus E is equals to O. So, paano nga ba natin makukuha yon? Na dapat same na number yung makukuha nating sum. E di, dapat meron tayong 0. Like, O corresponds to 2, then E is equals to 0 para makuha ulit natin na sagot ay 2. Pero hindi na siya pwede maging 0 since T is already equal to 0. So if we conclude that E is number 9, then magkakaroon ng carry 1 sa may O. And kung may carry 1 sa may O, then 9 plus 1 is equals to 10 and hindi na pwede maging 0 ang O. Then, yung sum nung 9 and nung O is greater value pa sa 9. So, more than 10 din. Kaya magkakaroon din ng carry 1 besides sa letter D. Fourth step, since letter E is equal to 9, then cancel na natin siya. Meaning, R is equal to number 7. Step number 5. Since D is equals to 5 and may carry 1 siya, so 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Then R is equals to 7. Then, yung number na nagko-correspond sa letter G ay 1. Since 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. Step number 6. So, tingnan natin yung L plus L is equals to R. And R is equals to 7 and may carry 1. So, meaning, L plus L is equals to 17. So, para maging 17 siya, L must be equal to 8. So, 8 plus 8 is equals to 16 plus 1 equals to 17. So next, yung A plus A is equals to E. So A plus A is equals to 9. Then, yung A plus A. So, dapat even yung magiging sagot niya. Pero, since may carry 1, naging odd yung answer. So, meaning, A must correspond to number 4. So, 4 plus 4 is equals to 8 plus 1 since may carry 1 equals to 9. Seventh step. So, yung natitira na lang natin na letters na wala pang correspondent na numbers ay N, B, and O, and yung numbers natin na wala pang correspondent na letters ay 2, 3, and 6. So, try natin kung 2 ba ay equivalent to letter N. 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. And hindi na pwedeng maging 9 yung letter B since meron ng 9. And it is equals to letter E. So, X na siya. Then next, three plus 7 is equals to 10. So, yung 0 lang. Hindi na pwede maging 0 yung letter B since T is equals to 0 na. So, ang matitirang number na lang ay 6. So, N is equals to 6. Then, 6 plus 7 is equals to 13. So, yung letter B ay magiging 3. Since N is equals to 6 and B is equals to 3, meaning O is equals to 2. Donald is equals to 526,485 and Gerald is equal to 197,485. The total is 723,970, which corresponds to Robert. This problem is one of the basic approaches in understanding encryption methods. Solving such patterns would enhance our problem-solving skills that we, as an architecture student, can apply in our future profession. Tackling such puzzles fosters a mindset in being capable of dissecting and solving layered challenges. Contributions: Miss Janessa Balingit, Miss Charlene Macalino, and Miss Ara Sarion. They are responsible for solving the problem, and Mr. Dale Inocencio is tasked with preparing the PowerPoint presentation, and I, Anthony Del Rosario, made the video explanation and voiceover, and Mr. Ranzi Sumigin handling the video editing.